It's important that children are immersed in Gaelic from nursery right through primary school, because they are learning a new language. It needs to be heard, it needs to be spoken. They are learning new structures and building on skills as they are developing their language.
When they're in primary 1 and 2, they have the total immersion, which means that everything that happens in the school happens in Gaelic. And the reason for that is that we want to encourage their use of language, their interaction with each other, interaction with adults, and trying to get them to talk and to play as much as possible. And then as they go through the school, Gaelic continues to be the main language of tuition, but English becomes essential in that we're teaching them the literacy and numeracy skills also through the medium of English, but Gaelic is still the key language.